This is Snowstorm 2013, December 14th, 2013. As of now, the snow has stopped. We have at least about 6 to 8 inches where I live in New York. And as of right now, it's turning into rain. The snow has stopped. This is a view from my balcony in New York. It's gonna turn over to rain sooner or later, and hopefully wash it all away. We have about 6 to 10 inches. I'm gonna go outside into the snow. See snow on the ground. It feels very cold. I'm touching it there. Very cold. Very windy too as well. They look down at the street. And it's raining. Matter of fact, it's raining mixed with a little ice. It's a little rain and ice. The snow has stopped. They plowed the street a little bit. All that's going to turn into ice when the rain comes. Let me go back inside because it's cold. And this is Snowstorm 2013, December 14th, 2013. Thank you.